Hey everybody, I'm Emily Henderson, and this is a newly renovated mountain house, and this is the first ever video tour of it. Come on inside. So here are the facts. This is 2 hours outside of Los Angeles. It's 3,400 square feet, built in the 60s, and then renovated in the 90s in a bad way. But the bones are amazing. The light is so beautiful. So we knew that it had a ton of potential. Now the style of it is a modern mountain, kind of Scandinavian, rustic, refined California, casual chalet cabin. This is the living room. This is where a lot of the grown-ups hang out. It's just incredibly cozy. The way that the light comes in is just so beautiful all day, every day. Just feels so open and airy. Something that I like to do is mix a lot of high and low, and vintage and new. So this chair, for instance, is my 40th birthday present. It's vintage, it's from the 60s. It's this like really important Brazilian maker. I love it. And then it's sitting right next to a chair that I got at Target that I also love. So by putting them together, this vintage chair definitely elevates the Target chair, but I didn't have to splurge on both chairs. So I have a really light sofa and light rug, but they're both really kid-friendly. The sofa is in a Krypton fabric, which is very stain resistant, and the rug is by Ben Solomyani, and it is a performance rug. I haven't had either for very long, but so far it's going great. Here we are in the kitchen. So one of the things I tried to do throughout the entire house is have as few finishes as possible. And what I mean by that is that the floor, the wood floor, is the same as the cabinets. So it feels really seamless and there's not a lot kind of stopping your eye. And then I broke it up with this amazing white Cambria that I'm obsessed with, and it's so easy to cook on. And then we wanted to mix it up a little bit with the Black Island. So all the wood, by the way, on the floor, cabinets, and ceiling is from Ross Allen Reclaimed. Two of my favorite things in this kitchen are the fact that all of the appliances are integrated. So here's the fridge, here's the freezer. What that means is that the appliances are hidden behind what looks like cabinetry. It's awesome. It does make guests like they have no idea where anything is, but that's fine. Second, we have a coffee bar and a dry bar that retracts, so when we have parties, when we have people over, this can just stay open all night long. And then underneath it, we have a wine fridge. I mean, this place is pimped out for a party. In fact, I should maybe pour a drink. I think this will just generally help with the tour. It's like partying with my friends. You guys. Welcome to the dining room, which is kind of a dining nook, except it's the biggest dining nook you've ever been in, and it's amazing. The hero here is this table. It was also by Ross Allen Reclaimed, but it's custom. It's so beautiful because we realized that when you're in here, you really just want to be sitting near the windows. Like the light over here is so beautiful, it's so magical. So we're gonna have so many massive dinner parties here. Now we're in the family room. And my favorite thing about the room is this gallery wall, which is just full of very sentimental things to me and my family. So we have our kids' self-portraits, my husband and I's our vows, awesome artwork by a friend, and kids' drawings. Basically every single thing here means something like a lot to me. It's very special to me. So putting it all together, it's like my favorite wall ever. All right, so this is the powder room, which I'm obsessed with. We have this floating vanity of the most beautiful marble. It's from Bedrosian. We had it leathered instead of honed or polished, and it's just so beautiful. This is the loft, and this space is a little controversial because Brian, my husband, wants it to be for a shuffleboard, and I want it to be for my office. So currently it's designed like an office. It just has the most beautiful light, and those windows, and they're from Marvin. They have the most beautiful white oak frame. I'm obsessed with them. It's just my happy place. Like, this is where I want to be all day, every day. As far as finishes go, again, I kept it very, very simple. The table, the cabinet, the floors, the windows, the ceilings, they're all the same tone of wood. So it looks so streamlined and minimal, but still so warm. So the master bedroom, this had the biggest transformation. Before, there were stairs over there, the walls were burgundy. It was like a random family room. And now we popped through the ceiling, we added skylights, we put in all these new beautiful windows, and it's full of the best light. One of my favorite features is this fireplace. It's a indoor-outdoor fireplace, so it acts almost like another window. And when you turn it on, it's just magical. So with all the windows and the skylights, it definitely feels like you're in a treehouse in this room. But then check this out. When it's time to go to bed, we use a remote to shut down everything. This is decor view, by the way, which they're all black out, and it becomes like such a little cave, a cozy little cave. So we had to create a closet somewhere, and it made sense to put it here instead of breaking up the room anywhere else. But that meant that it would really shut off the height over there and make this room feel a lot smaller. So we came up with a smart plan of glass and steel to make it more of an architectural feature. So you still get the light, you still get the sense of height, but we also get a closet back here. This is the master bath. And I've truly never had a respectable master bath before, but this tub is amazing. It's from Kohler. It's a jacuzzi tub, but it doesn't look like one, obviously. It has like 1,000 micro bubbles per second. It's amazing. So we really wanted the bathroom to feel like a spa, like a retreat. So it's pretty simple. There's not, obviously a lot of colors or patterns, but it has these rustic elements that make it feel like the mountain, like the ceiling and the slate floor. But it also has these spa elements like the bathtub, the steam shower that make it feel very luxurious. Okay, this is the shared kids room. And this is a rock climbing wall we put in for them, which granted they maybe only spent like 10 minutes a day on, but it's so cute and such a fun feature. All right, this is a guest room. It's actually a guest suite because it has a bathroom attached. It's very simple, calm. We really tried to keep the bedrooms undecorated and just calm and really relaxing. But check out this bathroom. Okay, this bathroom is so far the most popular amongst all of our guests. You walk into it, it's very dramatic, dare I say even sexy. But I really do love it. It's the first time I've ever designed a black bathroom, but it will not be the last. I love it. All right, so that's the tour, although there are some more rooms on my blog that we haven't yet revealed. Thanks for coming with us. Bye.